In this video, we'll be discussing about common causes of computer system failure. System failures can occur due to various reasons. Let's talk about some main reasons why computer systems fail. Software issues, corrupted software operating system, application crashes, software bugs, incompatible software installation, improper system update may cause the system failure. Number two, database failures, data corruptions, transaction failure, improper backup, disk space failure may lead to system failure. Number three, hardware failure, hard disk crash, RAM failure, power supply damage, motherboard issue, overheating, fan failure, dust buildup could result in system failure. Number four, human errors, accidental file deletion, incorrect configuration, improper shutdown, installing untrusted software, mismanagement of system setting may cause the system fail. Number five, network problem, server downtime, network congestions, DNS issues, router or switch failure can contribute to system fail. Number six, power issues, sudden power outage, voltage fluctuation, power surges, UPS failure might trigger a system failure. Number seven, malware and security threats, virus, ransomware, spyware, unauthorized access, hacking may be the reason system to be fail. Finally, environmental factors, overheating due to the poor ventilation, dust accumulation, water damage, fire, or natural disaster. These are the most common causes of computer system failure. If you find this video is helpful, please subscribe